I'm standing here at the epicenter of the rebirth of American manufacturing. This electric vehicle manufacturing plant will have 1,400 green jobs, the jobs of the future here in Joliet, Illinois.
This will become the largest medium and heavy-duty all-electric production facility in North America.
This facility is roughly 900,000 square feet of facility, so I try to put that in perspective of how big that is. To walk around the outside of this facility is about a 20-minute walk.
Having Lion Electric here right in our own backyard, it's a big economic development opportunity. It's a big workforce development opportunity. I think of coming off the heels of the pandemic as we start to recover, I think our state is looking for other ways to leverage the clean energy transition, and we're definitely happy to have Lion Electric here.
So the decision to put the facility in Joliet, not only because it's a favorable environment, it is also obviously the largest inland port in the United States, and so therefore allows us to do much more business to support our production operations.
Companies like Lion Electric are committed to EV and are best positioned to deliver wins with the $5 billion infrastructure investment that was recently signed into law.
Illinois has enacted some encouraging legislation that would help attract more jobs, more manufacturing opportunities around the EV ecosystem. I can certainly envision a time where a lot of manufacturing suppliers are co-located, right around Shanahan and the surrounding area.
Yeah, so if you look at what our production is, we'll be scaling up this year with an end-of-state production target of roughly 20,000 units per year. But with that, we'll be the largest manufacturing facilities in the U.S.
Lion is building this facility to prepare for that growth. It'll also create 1,400 jobs to the local economy over the next couple of years. Huge impact to the economy, but huge impact to Lion and the ability to distribute trucks and buses. Made in America, delivered in America, American trucks and buses.